Kate Chaney is the independent member for Curtin. She's been calling for stricter regulations for some time. Hello, Kate. What are your thoughts on this? Has the government got it right?
Hi, Nadia. I think it is a really good step to see government listening to experts and listening to the dominant community views and cracking down on this before it becomes a huge public health crisis.
Then you heard people like Liz there saying, well, I actually just get mine illegally. She vapes, she uses nicotine vapes. She just imports hers from New Zealand, orders it online. And I guess the questions being asked today is how are these changes going to stop people, including children, including teenagers, from ordering vapes online?
Well, definitely there will be a challenge in enforcement and Border Force has an important role to play. But I think we can't really start solving that problem until we have this framework in place to make it really clear that this is something that we're aiming to do. I moved a motion asking for this sort of regulation after hearing a lot of concerns from my constituents about the prevalence of vaping in schools here in Curtin. And without these really clear messages that this is a medical product for a medical purpose, then I think we've got no hope of cracking down on it.
So that's the point though, right? I mean, it's about education as well, because I just don't see how these changes will make it any harder for people to order online.
Well, we're yet to see the details of the $234 million commitment in the budget, but a big part of that is a public health campaign. There's also money allocated to help Australians quit and extending the Tackling Indigenous Smoking program. Now, all these things have to work together to both reduce people's desire to vape, but then also, make sure that we actually can prevent those really harmful products from coming into the country and bubblegum flavour and being marketed really like lollies to kids.
And that's the key, isn't it? They're going to have to resource Border Force and the Therapeutic Goods Administration much more than they currently are to be able to enforce these changes.
Absolutely, and I look forward to seeing the detail of the package to see what is being put in place to ensure that we can deliver on this commitment. But it's a really good first step to make sure that we're actually keeping our kids safe.
I'll leave it there. Thanks for your time, Kate Chaney there. She's the independent member for Curtin. She's been for some time calling for stricter regulations. Now,